Yo, guys, Swazz here, welcome to another new video on this YouTube channel. First and foremost, I'm incredibly sorry because I haven't been posted. The last video I posted was around like half a year to a year ago, so now I have the time to post and actually provide content for you guys and for the YouTube channel as well. So I'm going to be uploading a bit more, so hope you guys forgive me on that. But apart from that, as you probably saw in the title of the video already, that today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing, basic explanation of features of the shoe, as well as my own personal opinion on a 2-month wear test for the shoes. And as you probably saw in the title already, that today we're going to be doing those stuff that I just said just now on the NotwoWays Apricity colorway. Yep, and let's get to the video. Let's go! So that you saw there was the unboxing part of the video. Now let's get to the basic features of the shoe. As you may know or may not know that this silo or colorway or whatever you want to call it is called the Apricity colorway of the ARW collection from NotwoWays. And according to them, or according to the NotwoWays self-explanation of the color of the shoe, this shoe color is called the Exuberance Orange True White Jet Black Ice Blue colorway. And yeah, it is basically it's quite apparent of the reason why, because those are the colors for the shoe. And the final price that I paid for the shoe was at £100, which includes VAT and free UK shipping. Purchased on the official website at NotwoWays.com. Moving on to the features and material of the shoe, that this shoe does have the knit and leather combinated upper, which is quite apparent on the shoe actually when you see it, because there's a black, as you can see on the neck of the shoe, black knitted upper along and slowly down toward mid part of the upper part of the shoe, if you know what I mean. You see the leather on the forefoot as well as the heel, so I do think it actually looks really cool with this type of combination, and it does provide more stability and quality assurance for the shoe as well, so it won't break as easily and it's just more durable. Also, the shoe does have a translucent knit material in the mid upper of the shoe for uniqueness and stylish layering, which I find actually quite similar to which obviously is for the looks of the shoe, but also I find it quite similar to clothing layering, because when you maybe put on like a jacket or something, then that's actually that is actually called layering of the drip and clothing. So I do find it quite similar to that type of concept wise, if you know what I mean. It also is made out of rubber and recycled Phylon, and an orange plastic pull tab at the back of the shoe, along with a semi-translucent nylon around the top of the pull tab, all the way to inside of the shoe, and also with a fabric NotwoWays logo branding pull tab at the front of the shoe as well, which actually I did find out that these pull tabs actually do work compared to many other shoes wise, which their pull tabs are normal. Some other shoes that I have tried before that the pull tabs do actually are for aesthetic, actually for like the shoe aesthetically, and it's not actually, doesn't actually function properly as a pull tab. But for these NotwoWays, that these pull tabs actually do work, and it do facilitate with you putting on the shoe, and yeah, it just does actually work. Also, the shoe does have a thick rope feeling. Shoelaces with black metallic lace tips, which also come with an extra pair of light blue laces for customization if wanted. So you probably can see from the pair that I have right now that I actually did I did change one of the laces for one of the shoes, which as you probably see from here, it's light blue and this is white. And also a NotwoWays branding text embedded inside the shoe under the insoles, which I do actually really like this type of small detailing on this by NotwoWays itself, and it does actually give attention to detail on their shoes, and I just really love that design. So even though you may not see it when you're actually wearing the shoe or even looking from outside, but I do like these attention to detail aspects of a shoe. So finally to the 2-month wear test, and in my opinion, I found the shoe very comfortable actually, and a lot more comfortable than I actually thought it would be, and because I wasn't really too familiar with this brand NotwoWays, but after trying these pair of shoes, I actually found it very comfortable for regular activity, and you can really do anything with the shoes apart from like maybe running, because it is made more as a casual shoe, and it's not really for like sport wise, but you still can do sports with it, but it's just not recommended. After 2 months of wearing the shoe, I actually did not find any like breaking signs or any like damage signs towards the shoe, and I do find that this shoe is built in really good quality, and it does have a really good structure. But since it is designed to be a bulky shoe, wearing short socks was the only issue with wearing the shoe, because it's really not comfortable to wear if you're wearing short socks. So wearing long socks or mid socks is the more recommended, or just thicker socks would do the job, which, because as I said again, it's a bulky shoe construction, so it's not really that comfortable to wear with short socks. So along with mid or high socks or even thicker socks do its job, and I'll actually feel really comfortable to wear. So yeah, overall I'm quite happy with it, but apart from that, wearing short socks is not recommended, but instead longer ones. So that is the end of this segment of the NotwoWays Apricity from the ARW collection from NotwoWays, and all I can say is that I'm really in love with this shoe, and certainly this shoe did shock me with the amazing build quality and also the stylish looks of it, which certainly is going to be one of my go-to shoes for regular activities, such as going out and doing stuff, because honestly I do highly recommend the shoes, because it is very, very comfortable when you wear thicker socks. So I do feel like this is a really solid shoe as well. So that is all from me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe, comment if you want to ask me anything, and click the share button for this video and share to every single person that you know. So yeah, it'll be highly appreciated, and make sure to click the notification bell next to the subscribe button in the menus, so you'll be the first ones to be notified and updated whenever I upload a new video onto the YouTube channel. So yeah, that is all from me today, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click the notification bell, and peace.